Blackboard is your virtual learning environment at the university. A recent upgrade has brought a modern, more intuitive layout to help you find what you need more quickly and easily. It has been designed for the mobile experience, and its accessible design means that content adjusts to fit any computer, tablet, or smartphone. You can use it anytime, anywhere. You can submit your assignments online and get your marks and feedback. And you can use it to interact with your academics and fellow students. You can access Blackboard by browser or install the Blackboard mobile app. One way to access Blackboard is to go to the University Student Hub at www.salford.ac.uk/students and enter your university email address and password. It is a single sign-in process, which means that from here you can go to your Office 365 account using the App Launcher button in the top right corner of the screen. It gives you access to important Office tools, including OneDrive, where you have 1 terabyte of secure file storage. You can use OneDrive to upload your assignments directly to Blackboard, and Teams is available too, which is terrific for group work. Well, that's enough about Office 365. Let's get back to Blackboard. From the Student Hub, you can access the Blackboard link and go directly to the activity stream. Or you can install the Blackboard mobile app. So here's some quick guidance on that. For truly anytime, anywhere access, the Blackboard mobile app is highly recommended. It gives you quick, easy access to Blackboard. And an added benefit is that with the app, you can get push notifications for important announcements onto your activity stream. So to install the app, search for Blackboard via the App Store for your device and select the Blackboard app that displays a pencil on a blue background. At the school name prompt, enter Salford University and sign in with your university email address and password. A tip for any returning students who are not able to sign into the Blackboard app, just reinstall it and sign in as usual. The activity stream captures all the action in your modules. Here you will find up-to-the-minute key announcements, activities and upcoming events, such as those all-important assignment due dates. Each notification has an icon which indicates the type of communication it is. For example, a loud hailer indicates an announcement. By clicking on an item in the list, you will be taken into that area of the module to view the content. There is a useful filter option in the top right corner, which you can use to pick out any notifications relating to marks and feedback, for example. You can use the navigation pane on the left side of the screen at any time to see links to other areas of Blackboard. There are some important settings within your profile area. To access your profile area, click on your name in the navigation pane. Personalize your profile with your photograph, and others will see your photograph alongside your name within the different areas of Blackboard. Click on the Connect button to connect your University OneDrive to your Blackboard account. There is an option to add your telephone number. If you did this, it would appear across all of the modules you're enrolled on and could potentially be seen by the entire school. For this reason, we strongly advise against doing this. This feature should only be used by university staff. Notifications let you know when certain events occur so that you stay up to date. Notifications happen when certain events occur. For example, new announcements and messages, when assignments are available, when they're due or overdue, and when your marks are available. Your notifications can appear as activity stream items or email messages, or they can get pushed out on the Blackboard mobile app. You can change your settings to configure how and where notifications appear through the settings icon on your activity stream. But if you're new to Blackboard, then for now at least, we recommend that you leave them as they are so that you do not miss anything important. Modules. This is where you will find the content for all of the modules that you are enrolled on. This is the module list area. You can view your modules as images, or you can view them in a simple list. Click on the two buttons next to the search box and find out which view you prefer. You can pin or favorite the modules that you access the most. By clicking on their star icons, they'll move to the top of the page, giving you quick, easy access to them whenever you need them. To unfavorite a module, just click on the star icon again and the module will return to the main window below. If you have a lot of modules, you can also use the search box to find the one you need. Click on a module to access its content. The layout of a module depends on which version of Blackboard your module is using. If it has a screen layout like this one, then your module is using the original course view. Use the grey navigation pane to move around your module. If you have a screen layout like this one, then your module is using the Blackboard Ultra course view. In the top right corner of the Ultra module area, you can find 5 frequently used icons: Content, Calendar, Discussions, Grades, and Messages. There is also the Details and Actions area, where you can click on Participants to see a list of everyone on your module. And you can also match faces to names if they have added their photographs to their profile. You can join your online or virtual lectures and seminars from here using the Blackboard Collaborate link. You can access groups if they have been created for your module, and you can see announcements too. Your module reading list is available here, and you can also connect Blackboard to your OneDrive. All of your module content appears in the main part of the page. This is where your academics have provided all of the resources and learning materials for the module. When you click on a piece of content in Blackboard, it slides out in a layer on top of the module content page. To close the layer, click on its cross to navigate back to a previous spot in your module. You can always access the icons in the Blackboard navigation pane because it's always just in view at the left-hand side of the screen. Different formats of the content are available within Blackboard, wherever the A symbol is displayed next to the item, making learning accessible to all. Alternative formats are ideal if you're working on mobile devices or with assistive technologies. They are available alongside the original file, so you find everything in one place. And you don't need to do anything to generate the additional formats. They are created for you, ready to use. Let's explore the 5 frequently used icons within your modules. We have already visited the first item on the navigation bar, the module content area, with its details and actions pane and main module content area. It essentially acts as the home page for the module. The next icon on the nav bar is Calendar. When clicking on the Calendar button within a module, you see the calendar for that particular module. It is not to be confused with your personal Outlook calendar. Entries are added by your academics to make you aware of events and activities that may be of interest to you and your fellow students. It may display staff office hours and module-related meetings and events. One thing that it will definitely include is your assignment due dates. Discussions is a space where you can post questions about the module, and your academics will provide the answers so that you and other module members can all see the responses. Each module should have a discussion board dedicated to this very purpose, so do look out for that. If you have a question about the module, you may find that it has already been asked and answered before. If you need to ask your academic a question confidentially, don't do that here. Get in touch with them via Blackboard's messaging tool. Your academics can make use of discussion boards in other ways. They may set them up to ask you and your fellow students to share your thoughts and ideas about aspects of the module, or to demonstrate your understanding of learning materials. And they may set them up where your contributions are graded. The Grades icon takes you to your grades area for the module. Feedback from your academics is also found here. Remember, when grades are posted, you will get a notification in your activity stream. And for help and advice on how to submit your work, go to the Blackboard module called Assessment Support. The Messages tool acts as a messaging system, and all messages activity remains inside Blackboard. Your academics will use it to keep you informed about module matters, and you can post messages within this space as well. When messages are posted, you will get a notification in your activity stream. But remember, if you have a general question about the module, post your inquiry using the Discussion Boards tool. Going back to the Blackboard navigation pane, you can find other links which relate to all of your modules, including information, which includes information from your school and may include other key university services, the Communities link, which gives you access to selected resources which support or complement your teaching and learning. When you select Calendar, Messages or Marks from the navigation pane, you can see content across all of your modules. So for example, if you click on Marks, you can access all of your marks across all of your modules. Help is always available to you via the speech bubble icon in the bottom right corner on every Blackboard page. It provides contextual help, so if you click on it when viewing the activity stream, then it will take you directly to help on using that particular Blackboard tool. You can then jump into any of its other help topics.